What is up, guys? Call short, so I haven't made a video in a while. I've been super busy, but today we are going to be doing something very nice. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway because I haven't made a giveaway in a long time. I also want to talk about Fair's giveaway. That thing is still going on, but if you actually did the instructions, the link has the times and the dates, and it actually ends a month from now. But it's already been like 2 weeks, so it probably end in the 20s of this month. So yeah. Hmm. I want to join in, yeah, y'all. I want to play by myself. I might do a little trade hunting episode, but today I want to do a giveaway video. I actually don't know what my inventory looks like. I haven't been on it in a long time. All I've been doing is really trading, like assassin for chromas and stuff. But we're about to find out what my inventory looks like. So yeah, let's see how that is. Sorry, I had a little bit of snot. Oh no. I kind of want to go on the trading places to see so just go to home page. People on the Discord are blowing up the chat. But yeah. Alright, so once that happens, I'm gonna get in and then exit out. I wanna go trade. Yes. Boom 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 boom. Well, I'm not selling, I'm trading. Ha ha ha. So technically it is not illegal. Come on, buddy boy. Alright, so I guess that's what we were waiting for. Full server? Of course it's full. Yes. Amazing. I just want to get into a server that is not full. Open Roblox. Yes, you're in. Don't know any of these people. No, I probably only know Alan, but that's because I've seen him in this training server before. Hope you guys are having a wonderful February, the new year. Right, let's skip. Alright. So alright, so basically the item I'm gonna be giving away is actually I'm gonna try to give away a holiday gun because I think I have more than one. Yeah. I'm gonna be giving away this sugar since I don't really use it. I rather use green Luger over sugar, so I'm gonna be using green Luger over sugar. So if you guys want a chance to win a free sugar, the rules for this one are gonna be a bit different. I'm kind of in need of more subscribers. Um, What you guys can actually do is you can win by like I'm gonna handpick the winner, so I'm not gonna use a generator. I'm just gonna scroll through the comments and handpick the generator. And if you guys want a higher chance of winning, um, you should share this video with your friends. So like what the way it can work is if you want a higher chance of winning, you basically recommend someone, and in the comment, both of you guys say each other's usernames and that y'all who recommended who. That way, you have a higher chance of winning. But yeah, I'm gonna handpick the winner this time. Deep Claw. What do you have? Let's go to trade checker. So what does he have that I want? Deep Claw profile. He's got chroma heat and chroma. He's got chroma heat and chroma heat. It's 10,000. Oh. Well, I'm gonna wrap up this video, guys. Just remember, if you want to win that free sugar, just follow the instructions, and yeah, I'll see you guys later.